everyone, and welcome back to this series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find products that had at least 100 units ordered specifically in February 2020. So we have two tables, products and orders. In the products table, we have different products, ID, product name, and category. In the orders table, we see how many units was ordered on which date and which product ID. We are interested only in products ordered in February. If there are more orders of the same product ID, we count the total of units. Therefore, product ID 1 in total 130 units and product ID 5 in total 100 units. So let's solve it in SQL. First we write the select statement and we join two tables. Since both tables have product ID as a column, we join on product ID. Now we have to filter all orders that were done in February. In the where clause, we write order ID greater or equal to 2020-02-01, which stands for 1st February, and order date should be less or equal to the last day of February. The greatest date in February is 29. If we run this statement, we should receive all orders only from February. Now we have to group by product name. And eventually we have to calculate all units from February. If we run the statement, we should receive all products. But the task is to show products that have at least 100 units. These two rows should be avoided. Therefore, we write having statement. And we want either 100 or more than 100. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we first need to filter for February 2020. So we want greater or equal than the first day of February and less or equal to the last day of February. This new data set we will call February orders. Now we group by product ID and we calculate the total of units. So we take the new data set and we write the group by. The total of unit we will calculate with the function sum. And this new subset we will save in grouped. Now we want to filter products with greater or equal than 100 units. So we take this new data set and the column unit and we filter to greater or equal than 100. This we will save into valid sales. Now we merge the valid sales with the products to get the names. And now we are ready to return the result. And we successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The SQL or the Pandas? Let me know in the comments.